Well, today's a big day. Terry, the man who normally teaches me how to do everything, he wants to learn how to TIG weld. Let's do this.
You weld halfway and I will try to weld the other half.
That later. Very important, I sit because I need to rest this hand. I like to work. I find that this gets too heavy to carry, so I mean it's just me. You can't touch the electrode to the material. And if you touch the electrode to the material, then you got to stop and you got to take it out and grind it again because you get some debris on it. So you've got your foot there, you've got this here, and you're dipping. You ready? Yep. Okay.
How do you know the feel of the pedal?
Okay, so you just keep putting your foot into it until it melts the metal.
Okay.
So where we are set right now, I'm almost full throttle.
Yeah.
So you ease your way into it. It's a decent weld, right? I mean, I'm not going to go down as the prettiest welder on the face of the earth, but look at that. That's where I started. That's where he took over. Yeah, look at that. He got really good at it. Damn. He's got the skill.